we got things to do. We gotta pack.
I can't.
In our last episode, we were on the beautiful Caribbean side of Costa Rica, exploring Puerto Viejo and its lovely beaches and national parks. In this episode, we head back to Fort Lauderdale to revisit our boxed up things in storage and sort out what will be shipped to Grenada, where at long last we'll survey a catamaran that just may be our future home.
We are at the public storage right now.
Ta-da!
Most excited place in the States.
We're here to go through our things, get everything ready to send to shipping, which hopefully isn't that much because we're going to try to minimize our belongings and hopefully onto the boat.
Yeah, we don't have much, maybe less than 15 books, but try make it 10. See how it goes. Sweating. So let's go to the next destination. I don't know where the next destination. Apple Store. Fix the phone. Oh.
This is everything that's going on the boat. Wes is ready to go. Hey, Wes, are you ready to go? Ready to go to Grenada? Yeah, let's go! Let's go! It's morning here in Miami, and we are headed to the airport, Miami International Airport, right across the street from it, to fly into Grenada.
Grenada, to get the boat.
To go survey the boat.
Go to the survey the boat. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be our boat.
The flight from Miami to Grenada was easy, just took a little over 3 hours. Grenada is a Caribbean island between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, north of Trinidad and Tobago. We arrived with such tremendous anticipation for the coming days, while Wesley arrived with a tremendous appetite.
We're in Grenada! Woo! We made it!
Good morning, everybody. I am at the Grenada airport. It's very much empty. It's 7 a.m. I'm gonna take a very small charter plane to get the Carriacou. Liza couldn't make it because, well, plane's too small to have a dock, so she's coming by ferry.
It's okay, Wes. We'll be there soon.
It wasn't that bad. Okay, I'm at the boatyard. Still alone. That flow is coming right there. That's flow. I cannot wait to get on board.
Kaz arrived into Carriacou along with our broker Monte and our Marine Surveyor Neil. The vessel that we're having surveyed today was built by Bavaria Yachts, and it's a Nautitech 46 Open, owner's version, built in 2017.
So we finally get off the ferry, And look who's here to greet me. A bunch of goats. Holy moly.
Hey, Nautitech.
We made it.
You made it.
That was a heck of a ride.
I know.
Wes got sick in his doggy bag. All right, Monty, say hi.
Hi, Kaz. Hi, Liza.
This is Monty, our awesome broker. If you need an awesome broker, this is your guy.
I try.
We'll definitely have your information ready.
In the window below.
In the window below.
And while Wesley was busy being cute, our surveyor was busy inspecting the condition of the electrical, gas, and systems of the vessel.
Start doing this 2011.
It's really important to hire someone to perform a comprehensive and thorough inspection of the vessel and everything on board before following through with the purchase. The survey will be broken down into 2 days. The first day, Neil will conduct a detailed inspection of everything on board while on the dock, and tomorrow, he will inspect the vessel during a sea trial.
This is like state-of-the-art rigging. This is the shackle. It's called a soft shackle.
Soft shackle.
So you don't have to mess around and carry your Leatherman up here and have a screw pin. When this is slack, this turns and fits through, and is easy to attach. So that's the top. That goes to the headboard on the sail, and then this is the tack, and this is what that furling drum attaches to. And then this gets tightened up and brought down near the end of the pole. And this is just a little piece of Spectra. It doesn't really
Too much.
it just keeps it from falling down. Maybe, I don't know, it is Spectra, so it's as strong as a piece of wire. So if you did need to step out there, it'd probably support your weight.
Oh, okay.
But the way this is rigged up, there shouldn't really be any need to walk out there. You put the drum on, pull on the red line, and it brings it down. And then when you want to bring it back, you drop the halyard, and it's all furled up, right? And the sail will be laying here, and you ease that red line and just pull it up and then reattach it like he has it there. That's something you want to play with, like before the wind come up. Do that in the morning, and then when you get comfortable with it, it's gonna be like the most exciting thing about the whole boat. You'll put that thing up and you'll be sailing 15 knots.
Wow.
It's really fun.
I'm about done for today, folks. So
Day 1 survey done. And so far so good, I think.
Everything is good. Seems everything nice, good condition. So tomorrow we're gonna haul out and then test sail.
Oh, we're gonna do a test sail. What do you call it?
Sea trial.
Sea trial.
So,
Sea trial.
So we're gonna do tomorrow the haul out and then sea trial, and then if everything goes well, it might be ours.
I think the boat will be ours, and then we'll be like cruisers, sailing cruisers.
Cannot wait. So excited.
And we have to hire a captain to teach us how to sail. Oh my God. That's all. It's perfect.
Lots happening. Yeah! Pretty excited.
Join us next episode for the haul out and sea trial. Thanks for watching.
No!